bench, which became a focal point for memories and memorials, was destroyed in a suspected arson attack. The Buck Beck Beach Bench was built by the community using driftwood and other items found on Cleethorpes Beach. Philip Norton has this.
This is what Buck Beck Beach Bench meant to people. Photos shared today of a special place built by a community from driftwood and gifts from the sea over many years. A place to sit and reflect, to remember loved ones no longer with us, with memorials and notes. But last night it was destroyed, deliberately set alight, and today reduced to this, a smouldering pile of ash.
I think it's a disgrace what people have done. It was like a sanctuary to people. I mean, it may not see it, but a lot of memories probably died with this.
It's been where it's been for ages, and it's just, like you said, disappeared now, and it's really upsetting, to be honest.
This is how the bench started out, a couple of bits of driftwood knocked together by friends so dog walkers could have a breather. Over time, people added their own little piece of the bench. It grew to this, filmed only last week, ahead of a story we were due to run next month.
The fact that you've had people propose down here, people have scattered dogs' ashes down here. Obviously, this was somewhere they used to bring their dog. A lot of people's mental health seems to be, I'm not saying cured, but they come down here and have a bit of solace. It's quite nice.
Amid an outpouring of anger today that the bench has gone, there's also been this, a determination that it will rise again from the ashes.
Seems to be around these edges is more of the personal belongings, the sort of mementos, the, like I said, the love heart sort of things with names and dates and things on. So I'm just going to go around the edge and get as much as I can.
We put plaques up, all the family, you know, or people who have lost and stuff like that, you know. Of course, we heard about, you know, if you can see anything on the beach, fetch it back. And so as soon as we come on the beach, I'll see this bit, so it's a long way to carry it, like.
Everybody does a little bit at a time. They should get it back up.
It just deserves to be back to what it was. You know, we can't wish for that, I suppose, but we can wish for something here.
Well, tonight these embers have been cordoned off because they're still so hot, and Humberside Police have confirmed this afternoon they are investigating what happened here and they're looking to hold whoever's responsible to account. This is the pile of wood that's been steadily growing this afternoon, being brought along by volunteers, and I'm joined by Mark Durrant, who you may have seen in the piece there, but one of those who helped set up the original bench. I understand you want help from the public now?
Yeah, as much help we can get this built up, get it back again, and bigger, and we're not going to be defeated.
Absolutely. Well, good luck with it all. I know people can bring their driftwood down here, leave it here, and the hope is they can get this rebuilt in time for the summer.